everyone, it's your girl Maya, and I hope you guys are excited for another art video. Today I'll be having a special guest who will be helping me with this video. His name is Apollo. He's right here. Hi, Apollo. If you want to learn how to do an easy painting for your home, continue watching and you will learn how to paint this. The things that you will be needing for this painting project are 6 paints, 3 paintbrushes, and the paint colors are white, purple, lavender, orange, green, and yellow. And the 3 paintbrushes that you will need are of course your 2-inch paintbrush to blend, your small one, and then I've used a medium size in order to blend the flowers that you'll be seeing later. Okay, now let's start creating. Good job. I first put a layer of purple paint on the bottom and then a layer of lavender paint on the top and blended those 2 colors together in a back and forth motion. Next I cut the image I wanted to paint and traced it onto the canvas. Once I was done tracing the image, I painted the woman the same lavender color that is in the background in order to keep consistency with our colors throughout this painting. Since I had some extra space on the left side of the canvas, I decided to draw some beautiful lilies in different shades of orange and yellow. I decided to paint the lilies different shades of orange and yellow because it's a great contrast color for the purple and lavender background. Lastly, I painted the stem and the little leaves in order to give detail to the flower. Thanks everyone for watching this art video with me and creating this painting. If you'd like to watch more art videos, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'll be posting weekly on Fridays. Thank you everyone, take care, and I hope you guys stay safe.
Are you trying to make this a blooper? Is that why you're making your face like that? Chill. Calm down. Chill, bro. Chill.
Do you want it to be a blooper?
It's not healthy for.
Oh, hello, right here. Hello. Okay. Do you want to say goodbye? Paulo, you want to say goodbye? Bye. Goodbye.